Presbyterian College has had a strong history of students presenting research on a variety of different topics. From the arts to the sciences, research has allowed students to further develop their knowledge and understanding of issues occurring throughout the world and in society. For one PC student, not only did she present research, but she got to present hers at a major conference in a major U.S. city. Reagan Turner, a junior from the town of Pickens, South Carolina, was able to present research at the Society for Neuroscience Conference in San Diego, California. Prior to PC, Reagan was always fascinated with the biology field overall and wanted to explore more of it as a potential career move.
This happened last summer, and I had not really planned to do research over the summer last semester. I was like, I need to do something over the summer to still be proactive, to still, work on building the experiences that will help me get into graduate school. And so I went to Dr. Schull and I told him I was really interested in research. And literally 3 days later, he emails me and he's like, Dr. Lay is looking for a research student because the two students that were working with him were seniors and they were about to graduate. So he said he's looking for a research student, so if you want to meet with him and talk about his research, he'd be more than happy to meet with you. And Dr. Schull told Dr. Lay about me and how I could be a great candidate for his research.
With an interest in research and help from professors in the biology department, Reagan was able to get involved with research and study pain management within mice species, which both surprised and fascinated her throughout the process.
We worked with live mice. What we were trying to do was see if we could find an alternative for opioids, just because they're very addictive. We used what's called an herbal-based treatment called arnica, and that was the treatment that we used to see if we could relieve pain in the mice. How we caused the pain was we did a small surgical hand paw procedure, and then we applied the arnica to see if we could reduce that pain. And we recorded the results and everything, and so our data was actually pretty rewarding. We were able to get some promising results that the pain was actually reducing.
With her hard work, Reagan was able to present research with other researchers in her field. Because of this, it was all about the hard work paying off in the end.
A Society for Neuroscience conference, there was over 10,000 presenters. Doctorate, post-grad, PhD, it was a wide range. So being able to be an undergraduate research student at a conference like that was amazing. I was able to meet a bunch of post-grad students, talk to them about their experience, because that's something that I'm interested in. I was able to talk to some postdocs about what their research was. Just being able to see all the collaborators and the research that is going on just in the neuroscience field itself is amazing.
While Reagan got to experience many of San Diego's finest, just as sunny beaches, the San Diego Zoo, and wood-fire pizza, she is extremely beneficial to the research opportunity that Presbyterian College was able to provide her at her footstep.
It was just a great experience to meet everybody and learn about what they're doing and just the whole neuroscience field in a nutshell, pretty much. So it was awesome. I was very thankful, that I was able to be given that opportunity because, there's tons of students that are interested in research, but the fact that, Dr. Schull thought to mention my name was, very rewarding for me to be able to know that.
From the Blue Stocking and PC BlueTube, I am Mitchell Mercer.